Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today I'll be revealing some exclusive weight loss tips that no one talks about but are incredibly valuable on your journey to a healthier you. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video because the final tip will truly astonish you. The first thing you need to know is that weight loss is 95% about diet and 5% about working out. You can run 10 miles a day, but if you eat a box of donuts, you won't lose weight. Start by finding out your TDEE, or total daily energy expenditure, and set your activity level as sedentary. Calculate how many calories you need to consume per day to lose weight, and track everything you eat using an app like MyFitnessPal. Not all foods are created equal when it comes to calories. Foods like spinach, lettuce, chicken breasts, egg whites, and most vegetables are low in calories, while foods like peanuts are not. Find low-calorie dense foods that are nutritious and fill you up, so you're less likely to overeat. Liquid calories don't fill you up and are easy to consume in excess. Cut out high-calorie drinks like soda and juice, and stick to water. If you can't give up soda entirely, switch to diet soda. Just be aware that it's not as healthy as water and should be consumed in moderation. Consider this. 85 grams of spinach have about 20 calories, while the same amount of peanuts packs a whopping 450 calories. The key is to opt for foods with low calorie density, foods that have fewer calories per gram. Spinach, lettuce, chicken breasts, egg whites, and most vegetables are your allies in this journey. Eat smaller, well-distributed meals and be mindful of dressings and sauces. They can add unnecessary calories. Some low-calorie options are out there, and these are your secret weapons in your weight loss arsenal. Focus on protein and fiber as they help keep you full. Don't get too bogged down by macros. Carbs and fats are not the enemy. The key to weight loss is a calorie deficit. You can lose weight even by occasionally indulging in fast food, as long as you track your calories and consume them in moderation. But of course, we encourage healthier food choices for your overall well-being. It's okay to have an off day. None of us are perfect. What's crucial is to limit those off days and avoid letting one cheat day turn into two. Stay consistent and focused on your goals. In closing, I want to remind you that your weight loss journey is entirely in your hands. You can do this, but don't expect overnight miracles. Consistency is the key to long-term success. Transform your diet for the better, so when you reach your weight loss goals, you have a healthy and sustainable lifestyle that you can carry with you through life. Believe in yourself, and remember that this journey is about you and your well-being. Good luck to all of you. And please feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need support. Together, we can achieve our goals.